Model, 66-plate Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 medium wheelbase, 2.0 TDI none-runner Cambelt repair No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 135075. MOT, the 22nd of August 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 109 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start. Timing and cam cover off, suspect timing has jumped, we found broken rockers under the cover, can visually see the cam belt and teeth are worn. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with